So let's continue with the discussion of impact of using GenAI on energy consumption. So if we talk about the environmental impact of GenAI, it is massive. You should not underestimate, because with the usage of GenAI, as the GenAI usage increases, the energy consumption increases sharply as well. When we say rising energy consumption, usage increases sharply with task complexity and computational demand. So as the complex task, or the more complex task the GenAI is solving or providing you the answer for, the computational demand is more for that. For example, if we talk about generating a single image, if you are generating the images out of generative AI, a single image being generated by the generative AI, any model, is equivalent to fully charging a smartphone. That's the equivalent energy that it is consuming to just simply generate a single image. So if you are the person who is unnecessarily using generative AI, even public models, just to generate any sort of images, unnecessary sort of queries and prompts, if you are doing that without any proper reason and intent, just think about how much energy consumption is happening to generate those images. If we talk about generating the text, the prompt that we are typing in, it uses only a small fraction of the smartphone's charge comparatively. Image is a lot more, because it's a complex computational task. Text is also complex and could be complex, but in comparison to image, it is small fraction. But if we combine all of these small tasks, millions of small tasks are there, or people are using GenAI worldwide, it computes to a lot of or substantial carbon dioxide emission, which results in substantial environmental strain. So making sure that you actually, when you're using generative AI, responsible usage is also key for any technology. Now, what are the implications for software testing and best practices? Sustainability and ecological footprint must be considered alongside functionality and performance. You should not be just using GenAI for any random tasks. You should keep in mind that whatever usage you are having, any cloud infrastructure, GenAI is a lot more, or AI with AI in picture, agentic AI, GenAI, it's a lot more. But any technology, making sure that you are thinking about the sustainability and environment as well, that's a important thing. As a tester, evaluate energy efficiency of the AI driven testing solution. You should raise awareness of environmental risks in the project team as well. You, as a tester, as a test lead, as a test manager, should guide your team to use the generative AI responsibly. Okay. And in terms of best practices, limit unnecessary model interactions. Okay. Not just going ahead and generating random images, just asking anything, any prompts. Use it responsibly. Limit the usage. Optimize your test design and reduce computational overhead. Encourage responsible use of the generative AI services. Okay. So as a team member, it is everyone's responsibility to act responsibly, because overall we are impacting at a global level. Okay, so environmental impact is global. It is not for a particular place or location. It is everyone's responsibility. So that's all about the environmental impact. And from the ISTQB point of view, you need to understand these details when using the generative AI solutions. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.